preparing for. I bought this one from TikTok.
Gary story.
3, raise to 1.
Hello guys, good day. So, it's been so long since naka-vlog na balik. No? Today is February 10 and time check, it's already 12:12. Uy, sale. So, for today, natin naabot na parcels. Parcel, isa pa lang ang naabot. It's this one. I bought this one from TikTok. For my sister, Kai. Birthday niya this February 12. And since hilig siya og Lego, so I bought her this one. Nauso na siya sa TikTok. So, naisip na ko na, uy, since hilig og ani ako ang manghod, might as well, I'll buy her one. By the way, nga na yung nang if mabuo na siya. Oh. For this one, kanina, ano. And then, ang isa is, ano siya. Kalimot ko sa name, ano, hibiscus. Hibiscus ba nila? Ano? Basta kaning isa is lily. Kaning white. Lily ni siya. So guys, disclaimer, I don't usually do this kind of stuff or these kinds of stuff. Kay, I don't know, dili man siya dili ganahan, but like, I don't see the fun in it. But since magbuhatan ni karon, we'll see. Sige, let's do this. I just finished the first one. This one's a lily look. Almost 4 hours, or no, siguro 3 hours and 30 minutes. It's cute. On to the next one. Feel ako cute put na eh. We'll see. Hello guys, it's already 12 midnight. Birthday na sa kabangon. It's time to give her this. Let's go. Birthday. Birthday.
Pre, iayos og bira ha. Like i-hold og bira na cellophane. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Tiwi.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Feeling. Ew.
Hey guys, so today is February 13 and timing, may dumating na naman na parcel. And I'll be using this for tomorrow. Ito na parcel is need ko siya for Valentine's Day kasi I'll be giving these to some of my closest friends. So na-open ko na siya and these are actually the pins that I bought from TikTok na siya. And it says, better things are coming. Naisip ko kasi na instead of giving flowers, ito na lang. Kasi makip pa nila and then ma-remember nila ako every time. Diba? Also, ipakita ako. Kasi hindi lang siya yung pin lang ang ibigay ko. Actually, nag-design ako ng something na parang card kasi nakita ko sa TikTok. I don't know Kalimutan ko yung name niya. But thank you so much for the idea. And then, ganito siya guys. So, look. May nagawa na ako but di pa siya tapos lahat. Then, and ito. So yun, I'll be handing these to some of my friends. Kay, konti lang din kasi yung nabili ko.
Valentine's. Valentine's Day.
Better things are coming. Aww. Better things are coming.
Feeling
Thank you.
Hello guys, good morning. So today, wait na sa school kay mag-attend o review for mock boards ng mga college since we're preparing for my board exam and wala pa nag-start ako ang review. So, nag-attend sa ako review sa mock boards sa school. So yeah, right now we're on our way there. Morning, guard.
Pikit lagi di. Asa yung palibutang?
Happy Valentine's.
So cute. Thank you.
Ish. Happy Valentine's, Les.
Ina ka? Uy! Thank you! Dapat dito. Ano yung bago?
Gams, Happy Valentine's.
Thank you.
Story.
Bangga ko sa ano. Ipan. Totoo ka ba? Ano ka?